When your DeLonghi portable air conditioner displays an LT error code, it's important to understand what this means and why it occurs. The LT error code stands for low temperature condition. This code appears when your air conditioner detects a potential problem with ice formation. When the unit detects conditions that could lead to ice formation on its internal coils, it triggers this low temperature warning. Ice formation on the internal coils is a serious problem. It blocks airflow, reduces the unit's efficiency, and can potentially damage the entire system if left unchecked. The LT error code is actually a protective feature. When triggered, the unit automatically shuts down its cooling function and begins a defrost cycle to melt any ice that may have formed. Once the defrost cycle is complete and any ice has melted, your DeLonghi air conditioner should automatically restart and resume normal cooling operation. In most cases, no manual intervention is required. The LT error code is part of your unit's diagnostic system, designed to help identify and prevent potential problems before they cause permanent damage. Remember, when you see the LT error code, your air conditioner is protecting itself from ice damage. This automatic frost prevention mode helps ensure your unit continues to operate safely and efficiently. When your DeLonghi air conditioner shows the LT error, the first step is simply to wait. The unit will automatically begin a defrost cycle and should restart on its own within 10 to 15 minutes. If the unit doesn't restart automatically, check your air filters. Dirty or clogged filters restrict airflow, which can cause the LT error. Clean or replace filters that appear dark or dusty. Next, inspect your unit for water leaks and check that the drip tray isn't full. Excess water can interfere with the unit's operation and trigger error codes. Empty the drip tray if needed. Verify that your room temperature isn't too low. Portable air conditioners work best when the ambient temperature is between 60 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating in temperatures that are too cold can cause the LT error. If the previous steps don't resolve the issue, try resetting your air conditioner. Unplug the unit from power for at least 3 minutes, then plug it back in. This can clear temporary errors and restore normal operation. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the LT error, the problem may be more complex. Issues like faulty temperature sensors, low refrigerant levels, or compressor problems require professional HVAC service. Don't attempt to repair these components yourself. Remember, the LT error is your air conditioner's way of protecting its refrigeration system from damage. By following these troubleshooting steps systematically, you can often resolve the issue and get your unit running normally again.